Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a circle crosshair in Rivals. First, you'll want to open your game settings menu. You can usually find this from the main screen or by pausing during gameplay. Once there, head over to the keyboard or controller tab, depending on your setup. Then, look for the combat section and dive into the HUD settings. This is where all the magic happens for your crosshair. Now that you're in the HUD settings, find the reticle type option. Here, you can choose circle to get that perfect circular crosshair. This gives you a clear, precise aiming point. If you prefer a bit more guidance, you can also select circle and crosshairs for a blend of both styles. Experiment to see which basic shape feels most comfortable for your gameplay. With your circle selected, it's time to make it truly yours. Click on the advanced options to unlock more detailed settings. You can adjust the circle radius to make it larger or smaller, finding that sweet spot for visibility. Play with the circle width and outline width to control its thickness. Don't forget to pick a contrasting color and adjust its opacity for optimal visibility against various backgrounds. Once you're happy with your custom circle crosshair, remember to save it. Look for the Save as New option and give your design a unique name like My Circle Aim, so you can easily find it later. You can save up to 5 custom crosshairs. Finally, jump into a practice match or a casual game to test it out. Make sure it feels natural and enhances your aiming precision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.